Does your breath smell? Well, if it does, you need this. This makes your breath smell extra yummy. You always need yummy breath, because if your breath is stinky, nobody likes you. So, you just get a little spurt of this. Nice and fresh. And it comes in different flavors. Also, there is strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry. But I don't have raspberry with me right now. So you could probably choose blueberry or raspberry.
Or strawberry.
Or strawberry.